Hi guys, it's Patrick Ta, and this is my roommate Taylor Hansen. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a really simple, easy, like everyday get ready for your living room / get ready for your Skype meeting. I was gonna do a really natural lip, but then I decided to do like a really bold orange lip just because like the skin was so natural, and I just wanted to look at something pretty today. So and I think she feels the same.
We needed to feel some joy.
Some joy.
This brings joy.
Happiness.
Yes.
Sun. Step one, I'm going to be using an oil just to apply right onto the face, just so that the skin is nice and hydrated. I'm not going to put too much foundation, so I really want the skin to shine through and to really be hydrated and supple. Step two, I'm just going to apply concealer because I'm not going to apply any foundation, just in the areas I feel like Tay needs a little bit of coverage. I mean, the whole face, but just a little bit on the chin. Basically highlighting, but only putting concealer straight on first. So step three, I'm going to be using a cream contour and just applying this just like right into the hollows of the cheekbones. And then we're going to blend it out. Step four, I'm going to use a little bit of a cream blush just to apply this right onto the apples of the cheeks. I'm just putting it on and then just blending it out with my foundation brush. And then I'm going to apply just a little bit of a powder blush on top half. Step five, I'm going to be using a powder blush. This is my blush in the color She's Adorable.
So adorable.
Because we want it to look really adorable for these Skype meetings. And I'm going to put this just right on top of the cream powder, just right on top, just to like kind of bring a little sun-kissed glow to the face. So step six, I'm just going to apply this cream eyeshadow. This is a really nice bronzy gold. The reason why I'm using a cream is because the rest of the house, I mean the rest of the face is cream. And so now for some highlighting mist, I'm going to put this just right onto the peak of the forehead, a little bit just like right on the cheekbones, and then fan it away. I'm going to be using my Major Brow shaping wax. I'm just going to put this just right in to the eyebrows so that it looks like they're nice and fluffy and they're standing up. I was going to do a like natural lip, but I just think that she needs to be a little bit more put together for me. So I'm going to do like a really bright, like ready orange lip. I know this is a lot of stuff. Just apply your favorite bright orange. Now that the lip is on, I'm going to put just a little bit more blush just to tie everything together. Just using the same one. This is still She's Adorable. You still need to look adorable. Last but not least, is one of my favorite steps. Just apply a little bit of a setting spray just onto this face, just so everything like melts in. I mean, we didn't use hardly any powder, but I try to make this video as short as possible for you guys, just so it's super simple and easy, and I hope you guys like everything. I think she obviously loved it because she, I mean, look at her. No, she doesn't, but put that hair back. Thanks, guys.